Hello everyone, it's Polkadot Insider here. Welcome back to our educational video series. And today we'll walk into a new tutorial about how to use Talisman Wallet. But first, we'll give you an overview of Talisman. Talisman Wallet is a self-custodial crypto wallet founded in 2021 and is backed by some of the best teams in the Polkadot ecosystem, including the founders of Moonbeam, Akala, and RMRK, allowing users to create, own, and manage their accounts and safely store, send, and receive their crypto assets. Talisman Wallet is available as a browser extension, and we can get it up and running in seconds. With Talisman, there is no network switching, and all of our assets are just in one place. They also allow self-custody of over 150 different assets on the Polkadot and Ethereum blockchain. The first thing we need to do is head across talisman.xyz. Let's click download the wallet. We're currently using Chrome browser, so we have been redirected to the Chrome store. However, Talisman is also available for Brave, Edge, and Firefox. Next up, let's click Add to Chrome to proceed with the installation. We'll be redirected to Talisman page. Then we'll be prompted to either create a new wallet or import a wallet. Firstly, let's take a look at creating a new Talisman wallet. We'll then be prompted to choose a password for our wallet and click Continue. Once we've completed that stage, we have the option to improve Talisman with anonymous usage information and error reports we can even then agree to, or we can say no thanks. The wallet will then create, and what we're looking at here is the full or the expanded screen version of the browser extension. Well, we'll be asked to fund our wallet. However, before we start funding our account, it is really important to back up our recovery phrase, essentially allowing us to recover our wallet in case we lose our laptop or in case anything goes wrong. Proceed to select Backup now and enter the wallet password. Continue to click View Recovery Phrase. We get a phrase consisting of 12 words, and make sure write them down and keep them in a secure location. Once it's done, let's go back to our portfolio so that we can start to fund our account and start using some dApps as well. If we already got some crypto, we can receive funds and retrieve our wallet address. Or if we don't have any, we can buy crypto we're going to see now. We choose to buy crypto, and here we're going to be prompted to select an account, and this can be either Polkadot or Ethereum, depending on the type of crypto we like to buy. For example, if we choose Polkadot and choose token, we then have an option to buy DOT. Next up, we click Continue, and then we'll be directed to a third-party provider to go ahead and complete this action, and the crypto will automatically go straight into a Talisman wallet. We're going to the portfolio on the left-hand side of the screen to view our balances, or over the smaller browser extension screen. The portfolio will show a combined total of all the accounts and all the networks that we have, whether that is Ethereum or Polkadot. However, if we would prefer to filter for a specific account, we can do so with the top left-hand side of the screen. We can also send from our portfolio in case we wanted to send funds to an external platform or a wallet. We simply choose Send. Here's the type token we want to send along with its quantity, then enter the wallet address we want to send and select Reveal. And now, taking a look at the other options of the left-hand side of the screen, we click Add Account. This is where we can import a Polkadot or Ethereum account or connect to the Live ledger. If we want to import our wallet without having to send all the funds individually, we can do that from here. Import via recovery phrase. We then prompt for the type account we want to import, and we're going to be importing our MetaMask account, so we'll be choosing Ethereum. Let's proceed with naming recovery account. Here we name it as MetaMask, and next we paste in our recovery phrase and click Import. Once importing our assets will then appear as a new account under All Accounts. We can now see MetaMask from the drop-down. Next up, we explore NFT. After clicking on NFTs, we'll be directed to another website. Here we can view all our Kusama, Moonbeam, Star, and Statement NFTs in one place, which is available from Talisman portal. With our NFTs loaded to Talisman portal, we can view the image, the collection name, and NFT identifier. Plus, we can click on the NFT for detailed view, where we'll see additional information such as the current floor price, edition ID, and the network it is on, combined with a link to the marketplace suited for the exact NFT. Finally, let's go to the setting. There are a few options which we should pay attention to. The first option here is to back up our wallet, and that's the process we did at the very start. Trusted sites. We can manage the trusted sites that we connected to and have access to manage our saved contacts through the address book. Besides, we can also customize security and privacy, change passwords, or set a timer to automatically lock the wallet. And that's all for today's video about Use Talisman Wallet to manage our assets. If you really enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to Polkadot Insider for more insightful and interesting videos. Bye! See you next time.